Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. If you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today we are going to talk about very interesting project that is Simlancer. So this project is basically going to provide you a platform where an employer or a company can post a job detail or task detail over here that need to be done within a specific period of time, and after seeing that job detail, various employee can come up over here and place the bids that they want to get paid for completing the job successfully. So after seeing multiple bids into the platform for the specified job, the company will be selecting the best employee by going to the few points like best bid and the reputation of the employee and the time required for an employee to complete their job. So if all the stuffs that are posted by an employee is coming and meeting the requirements by an employer or the company, they are going to hire you for the specified job. So here you can check out Simlancer is a fully decentralized KYC-less freelancing platform. So Simlancer is best because there is no need for you to do KYC as a company or as an employee. It is a KYC-less platform, so you just have to come up over here and place the job detail anonymously, or else as an employee you can come up over here and place your profile into the platform, and if a company is interested in your profile, they are going to reach out to you and you can conduct all the business related details anonymously over here, and all the things like payment and various other stuffs will be conducted with the help of the smart contract. So all the payment will be instant. Here you can check out all the payment will be done instantly through smart contract. You don't need to be worried about, because all the payment will be done with the help of the smart contract. And here you can check out that smart contract is audited by a well-known company. It is done by HashX company. So you can go through the audit report of their smart contract from here. So if you are a freelancer, you can complete your profile over here, and if a company is interested into your profile, they can reach out to you by clicking on this Let's Work Together tab. So it will be releasing soon. If you are a freelancer and looking for a job, you can come up in the Simlancer and place your profile. So you can also read their white paper by clicking on this download white paper tab. It will be redirecting you to the page of the white paper. You will be getting more information by going to the white paper over here. And here you can see most important thing is that if you are paying fees of your job in Sim token, you have to pay 1.5% as a commission fees, and if you are paying fees in other cryptocurrencies, you have to pay 5% as a commission fees. So I recommend you to go for Sim token. Here you can check out the tokenomics of Sim token. Around 765 million Sim token is available as a max supply, and the pre-sale will be conducted for around 285 million Sim token. And in PancakeSwap listing, 50 million Sim token will be locked, and they are going to conduct their pre-sale on MemePad Launchpad on Monday. Here you can check out their pre-sale will be conducted on MemePad Launchpad. I recommend fill out all the requirement details of MemePad Launchpad for you to participate into the IDO. So this will be giving you a good amount of profit by participating in the pre-sale, and they have already conducted one pre-sale on DeFi Drop platform. I have made a complete review video of DeFi Drop platform. I recommend to go through the video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for that video also. So in the pre-sale, one BNB will be giving you around 700,000 Sim token, and on the listing date on the PancakeSwap, listing will be conducted 24 hours after the IDO is conducted. That is, IDO will be conducted on Monday and the listing will be done on Wednesday. That is 24 hours later of the IDO. On the listing date, one BNB will be giving you around 500,000 Sim tokens. So you will be getting a good amount of profit on the listing date if you want to sell. So I recommend you to participate in the pre-sale and hold this token. So if you are a company and wanted to approach an employee as a freelancer, I recommend you to hold Sim token. This will be reducing your commission fees up to 1.5%. You have to just pay 1.5% as a commission fees. So here is the roadmap of Simlancer. I recommend you to go through the roadmap of Simlancer. This will be helping you to get more information about developments and future plans. So this will be helping you to get more information about the project. So here you can check out the team details over here, and if you have any doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over Telegram, and I recommend to follow them on Twitter also, because most of all the details regarding IDO and pre-sale are posted first on Twitter. This will be helping you to get an announcement first, and I also recommend to join that Telegram, and if you have doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over there. So I recommend you to participate in the pre-sale on Monday on MemePad Launchpad. So first of all, you have to complete all the requirements of MemePad Launchpad to participate in the IDO that they are going to conduct. So I recommend to join MemePad Launchpad Telegram also to get more information about the IDO requirements by them. This project has come up with a good and innovative idea of bringing freelancing community into the blockchain world. This will be helping the cryptocurrency to get more awareness. So this project can give you a good profit in future if you hold. So listing will be conducted 24 hours after the IDO is completed successfully, so you can plan accordingly. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.